How to meditate. That's what you searched for, right? You're in the right place. And if you stick around until the end, I've got a special bonus for you. A free meditation guide that actually works, even if you've tried before and failed. But before we get to that, let's talk about something crucial. Meditation is everywhere these days. It's in your social media feeds, touted by everyone from self-proclaimed gurus to lifestyle influencers. They make it look so simple, so harmless. But here's the truth they're not telling you. Improper meditation practices can lead to serious psychological risks. We're talking about opening doors to mental instability, loss of identity, and even making you susceptible to manipulation techniques used by cults. Imagine this. You start meditating without proper guidance, following random advice from a snake oil sage or a spiritual bro. Instead of finding peace, you begin to feel detached from reality, your thoughts spiraling out of control. This isn't a hypothetical scenario, it's a documented risk. Practicing the wrong meditation technique can be harmful, leading to experiences that are far from calming. These so-called gurus often lack a deep understanding of human physiology. They don't realize that certain meditation practices, when done incorrectly, can trigger dissociation, a state where you feel disconnected from your thoughts, feelings, or sense of identity. This isn't enlightenment. It's a psychological red flag. What's worse, this mental vulnerability can make you an easy target for manipulation. Cults and unethical groups have long used meditation as a tool to break down individuals' sense of self, making them more pliable to control. By destabilizing your mental state through improper practices, you're essentially playing Russian roulette with your mind. The more you experiment with fragmented techniques from random sources, especially self-help hustlers pushing viral content without any understanding of human physiology, the more you're gambling with your mental stability. It's not just about wasting time. It's about altering your neural pathways in ways that may make it harder to ever fully regain a sense of internal safety and control. But don't let this scare you away from meditation altogether. When done correctly, meditation can be a powerful tool for mental and physical well-being. Let's shift gears and talk about how it actually works. Your body operates through the autonomic nervous system, which has two main branches, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the fight-or-flight response, preparing your body to face perceived threats. On the other hand, the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system, promotes relaxation and recovery. A key player in the parasympathetic nervous system is the vagus nerve. This nerve acts as a communication highway between your brain and various organs, helping to regulate functions like heart rate and digestion. When the vagus nerve is stimulated, it sends signals to your body that it's safe to relax, effectively counteracting the fight or flight response. Proper meditation techniques can stimulate the vagus nerve, promoting a state of calm and relaxation. For instance, diaphragmatic breathing, deep breathing that engages the diaphragm, can activate the parasympathetic nervous system by stimulating the vagus nerve. This leads to better emotional control and decreased physiological stress reactions. Over time, consistent meditation practice can lead to neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This means that with regular practice, you can train your brain to respond to stress more effectively, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. Now let's address a common misconception. The goal of meditation isn't to empty your mind completely. Instead, it's about retraining your brain to experience stillness as safe, rather than threatening. This shift allows you to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them, leading to a more balanced mental state. So, how can you start meditating safely? Here's a simple technique you can try right now. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes. This helps minimize visual distractions. Observe your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Extend your exhales. Gently make your exhalations longer than your inhalations. This can help activate the vagus nerve and promote relaxation. Acknowledge your thoughts. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. This basic practice is just the first step. To fully avoid the risks and achieve the benefits of meditation, it's essential to follow a structured, real-world process designed for people with busy minds and modern lives. That's why I've created a comprehensive meditation guide that you can download for free. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to building a safe and effective meditation practice, helping you avoid common pitfalls and achieve lasting benefits. Download your free complete meditation guide using the link in the description. If you found this information valuable, consider following the channel. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into how to start meditation, clearing up myths most people still believe. You won't want to miss it.